There we go. I wanted to put... These are babies. They're very tiny. We got redfoots, aldabra, hypo, redfoots, and radiators. He came out of the egg not so long ago, right?
No, like 8 months.
And you think the shell will stretch out? This is how he came out of the egg, guys. His shell came out just like this. What a beauty. It's beautiful. It's one of the most beautiful tortoises in the world, right here in the back. It looks fake, right? Doesn't it look fake? They're radiated. Look how beautiful. Watch this, watch this. Ready, set, go. Look at that. He's so tiny. Look at the design on the side of the shell. Look how beautiful. There's a cherry head. You see that deep red on the face? Whenever you see that deep red on the face is a cherry head. The most beautiful cherry head I've ever seen. What a beauty!
Yeah.
Look how bright his tail is. Nice. Okay, how many eggs we have in here? We can't open it though, guys, because then all the temperature and everything. But you see the eggs? We have babies that are gonna be born. Oh, they had a buffet. Are you ready to come home with me? Yes. Okay. Listen, we have to make a deal, okay? Just look pretty and stay still. Don't move. And this is where the Rhino iguana lives. Impressive, right? She has pretty colors. Oh, she is friendly. That's a cool looking house. Okay, this is a male. Oh, he's big. Okay. Good job on these enclosures, son. Everybody hand claps in the chat for the good job. He's only 20 years old and he built this all by himself. From scratch. From scratch, guys. Everything in here, even the houses, he built it by himself. Everything has heat lamps and heat pads. He also built this house for the tortoises. Yeah, look how beautiful. Oh, there's my friend. Oh, what's up? I like him. He's my favorite one. Yeah, this one, he's really, really friendly. He loves to be rubbed. He loves massages. His eyes are very red. Let me do a zoom so you guys can see. Look how red. See how red his eyes are? Tortoises in here. You guys want to see the tortoises? There's plenty of heat in there for them. They are comfy. These are redfoots. These are adult redfoots. We got females and males in there. This is Osokara?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is a boy, right? No. Yes, they live 80 plus years.
Around there. Elongated tortoise.
Oh, that's an elongated tortoise. Look at that. Look at the nose. Can I see? Wow, I never seen one of these.
And they have overgrown beaks.
Oh, so you gotta fix that?
And you just let them be. Fine.
Let me see that one. You could tell it's a boy. You see how this is dented in? So he could be able to get on the female. See how it's nicely dented. Look at that. Let's take a look from here. How it looks like from here. That was pretty